I'm going to show you 3 different ways to turn the volume up or down on your Android phone. And we're going to do it with and without the physical volume buttons. So if your buttons are not working or your case makes it hard to reach them, no worries. There's other easy ways to do this. But of course, let's look at the buttons first. Usually, this is the easiest and faster way to change volume. On most phones, you'll have one button that turns the screen on and off, and then you'll have a longer button that looks like a single button, but it's actually your volume up and volume down buttons bundled together. When I click the volume buttons, you'll see a little volume indicator appearing on my screen, showing the current volume. If I let go and don't do anything, that indicator goes away after a few seconds. But if I act fast, I can also touch it and slide the volume up and down by using the touchscreen. On top of the slider, or on some phones on the bottom, you'll see 3 dots. Tap those and you can adjust volume individually for ringtone, media playback, notifications, etc. Once you're done, just tap an empty part of your screen and the sliders will go away. Another easy way to adjust volume is through the quick settings. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen and quick settings will open. If you're only seeing a few controls, swipe down again to reveal the full panel. Most phones will show a volume slider here, although instead of the vertical slider you saw earlier, here it's often horizontal. I can slide the volume left or right to adjust it, and the little speaker icon next to the slider acts as a button too. On this Samsung phone, I can tap it to cycle between sound on, mute, and vibrate. And one last way to turn up your volume, through the settings. I'll go to Settings and then scroll down to Sounds and Vibration. Some phones will show your volume sliders here. On my Samsung phone, it's tucked behind a separate volume menu. I'll go to Volume and I'll see the same sliders for different types of volume, from ringtone to media, notifications, system sounds, etc. And that's how you change the volume on your Android phone. Click that like button if this video helped you, share with a friend who's struggling to adjust their volume, and subscribe for more easy guides like this. Thanks all, until next time.